So I gotta figure out why this thing's not starting. I believe it's a starter motor issue. Sits there and just clicks away and won't turn over. So yeah, I get to try getting the starter motor off, and I've modified this one a bit. I've changed it. Normally on the FX, the starter motor's down here. That gets a heap of abuse from the manifold, so I ended up doing a rear conversion on it, just from the later 20 valves they have their starter motors on the back. So I'm hoping that I can take the airbox off and then get to the starter motor. I can get to the bolts pretty easy. Hopefully that can come out. Otherwise, I think last time I did it from underneath, so I'm not really amped to do that. Starter motor out, along with all these other bits. Need to give these a good clean, so it will build up. Obviously from my catch can, it's probably full. Just breathing a bit. But yeah, came out pretty easy actually out of the top here. Gonna tidy up some of these vacuum lines again that are down there. Some I'm not too happy with. But yeah, these are the old 3D printed trumpets that my mate printed on the printer that I've now got, and they still are mint. Shows you what just some basic ABS plastic can do. But yeah, now I'm gonna have to probably just take this apart and check everything in it, clean it all out. We've caked with all sorts, being so old. But yeah, check the brushes, and then bench test it, I suppose. Hook it up to the battery and just give it a few whacks and see if it actually goes. But yeah, it's all pretty mucky in there. So I've got some brake cleaner, degrease it all and set it up.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence, and the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my
Managed to get the new starter on there, but of course the battery decides to die, so it started turning over, but then it crapped out. But yeah, starter motor seems good, brushes were alright, just cleaned everything up, used a solenoid from the other starter I had, just in case that one was bad. So yeah, now I have to figure out how to get it to go.